This is a really big deal. An article has arrived as of August 25th, 2022, citing that President Joe Biden is releasing a crypto forgiveness plan. In the next little bit, I'm going to show you guys the article. Now, I will give a quick disclaimer that there wasn't much released other than that little bit, that there is going to be a crypto forgiveness plan that is going to arrive, but nothing really in the details of it. Alright, so here we are, guys, on the article. It says President Joe Biden announces crypto loss forgiveness plan, and this is August 25th of 2022. And here's what it says. It says, in what some are saying is a desperate attempt to gain crypto enthusiast voters ahead of a upcoming midterm elections, President Joe Biden announces his crypto meme coin loss forgiveness plan. These people have had the best intentions when they invested in these meme shitcoins, stated Mr. Biden, said the president to a room full of reporters, which included a CTC news crew seated in the front row. It's not their fault they got wrecked, and we're gonna make things right. It continues on by saying, when asked if it was fair for meme coin investors to be compensated for their losses while those who didn't invest in meme coins or crypto were also struggling with high inflation and an economic downturn. You want to talk fair, said Biden. What about you asking me these tough questions? Is that fair? So guys, this is what I thought is crucial. Now, there are a few good pointers that I'd like to take out of this article. Now, before I list those points, I'd like to make it quite clear here that this could be an accurate article and at the same time an inaccurate article. There's no real sources that have been cited within the article that I could kind of redirect back to. There isn't too much in it that could kind of prove that it's a valid author that wrote the article. So I'm not going to go ahead and clearly say it's a 100% credible thing and it did or it didn't happen. But what I can say is that in the last couple months and couple weeks, more importantly, Biden and the entire US government has really tried to focus in on crypto. Some of their ways were to try and find a way to resolve the issues of regulation. How can they compensate for losses? How can they go ahead and tax crypto investment? We've all heard of the new federal digital dollar. And of course, that is going to be, in discussion, and is currently in discussion, and it will be released if there were any new laws that are going to have to take place to get the new federal coin going by September 5th. So there's a lot of things within regarding to crypto and within regards to, the entire digital virtual coin idea here. Now, this is extremely positive. Whichever way you look at it, it is a big W for crypto. What this means is that, number one, it's getting its federal attention. Everybody kind of knows crypto exists now. They understand that the federal government is looking to go ahead and really expand into it, and this is always positive. Not only that, you're talking about regulations, right? A lot of people dislike regulations. We talk about taxes, and everybody's like, no, we don't want crypto to be taxed. But you guys have to really understand what is really going to protect the crypto market and bring more real investors into the crypto market is those regulations and taxes. Without regulations in the crypto market, you're going to see major losses like we are seeing to this day. When we talk about Luna C or Luna, T, the utility coin, or that's supposed to be a utility coin backed by the US dollar, that ended up crashing from $1 to now 10, 15 cents, which is devastating. When we talk about Luna Classic, now Luna Classic at least, you're talking about a coin that was, $150 drop all the way to less than pennies. And what would have really been able to protect investors would be regulations. If regulations were in the picture right now, we're talking billions of dollars have been lost from Luna Classic on its own. That is a huge hit. Regulations would have actually allowed the SEC to, go file a case against that company. In that case, it would have been the foundation of Luna, and go ahead and try and reclaim any funds that they could to try and give back to the investors. So when we talk about regulations, any type of scammy thing, all of these meme coins out there that, yes, maybe, 10 people are making $1 million, but you're looking at the big picture here. You're talking about for every 10 people that become rich, 100 or 1,000 or 10,000 go broke. So it's not a win for everybody. In fact, it's a rare win for the people that do win and a common loss for most normal, low investors. Now, to get to my point here, the federal government discussing, even mentioning, if they go ahead and actually implement this forgiveness plan, is going to be a big thing for crypto. Crypto needs two things to succeed and to actually become like all the other assets like gold and the stock market. The two things is recognition and real dollar bills to start flowing in the crypto market. And there's only one way you do this is by getting fully regulated or getting the recognition throughout the governments of the world. Now, the main government really is the United States. If you have the United States to, recognize crypto as something serious and really go into it, telling everybody we're using crypto now, automatically you have two things that happen. The recognition automatically gets into play and the funds automatically start rolling into crypto. You can even notice this by going ahead and looking at the top billionaires of the world. Look at Jeff Bezos. Is Jeff Bezos invested in crypto? Is Bill Gates? No. Is Warren Buffett invested? No. Now, you may say Elon Musk is invested into crypto, and I will tell you that is completely wrong. See, investing into something and buying into something are two different things. Investing means you invest in it, you buy into something, and you really hold on for the long term. You're holding on because this is a project that has potential and one day will make you a ton of money. Buying is something else. Buying means that you're going to buy into it to try and flip it as fast as you can. And that's exactly what Elon Musk did. He bought into Bitcoin, told everybody he bought into Bitcoin. The second it went up, he sold all of his shares. Now, I believe that happened because crypto wasn't regulated. It wasn't regulated and didn't have the recognition it had. So anybody that was really investing big money into it goes ahead and doesn't like to take the risk. So either they try and buy and sell real quick just so they can make a little bit of profit here or there, or they just don't buy in at all. And if you look at all the people that actually have a lot of money, even if you're talking about the tens of millions, a lot of those guys will make it clear to you that a majority of their portfolio is not in crypto. And they say it quite clear here. They say a minority of their crypto portfolio is what they are putting into it. And that is because they know that crypto is risky. And what's making them not invest any more money into crypto than the bare minimum is that they feel like at any point in time, since crypto is not regulated, a guy could make a coin online, go ahead and build it, and it could get some advertising done for it. Then all of a sudden you have a coin that just pumped, everybody tries to buy in. They put in, let's say, 50% of their investing portfolio, and then all of a sudden the owner of the crypto decides to just basically scam it, do a bit of a sell all of his shares, crash the price, and now what? You just lost all of your money. You have no regulations to say that that's not allowed. You can't sue the company. The SEC can't sue the company, and you're left with basically a major loss that you can't recover from. And so really that is why you don't see a lot of money into crypto. And a lot of people don't mention it because it's like a big taboo thing, but it's quite clear that to make it clear to everybody, if you're trying to get money to go into crypto, if you're trying to get really crypto to boom in value, there is only one thing that needs to happen, and that is regulation. And automatically, with regulation, you automatically get recognition and proper money flowing in. That's what I have to say in today's video. I hope you guys did learn something because, again, it's just something that people don't like to talk about, and I'm talking about it. So hit that subscribe button, make sure you smash the like button, and let me know what you think. And if you do think this article is legit, again, if you have any information about it, make sure you guys go ahead and let me know that in the comment section below. Is there an actual, forgiveness crypto loss plan that is taking into place? Again, let me know that down below. It's such a big deal if it is, and hopefully it is. Again, I cross my fingers. The amount of losses I've lost in crypto are actually devastating, and so having one of these juicy forgiveness plans would be quite useful to me and any other normal investor that has lost their money. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.